On a daily basis, I receive Oriental rug that saturate with a dog urine odor from all over United States and the globe. What make PetPeePee company special, different than any other carpet cleaner or professional Oriental rug cleaner? I guarantee in writing, color will never run, and 100% guarantee in writing urine odor removal completely, permanently, without using the enzyme and the deodorize to mask any odor that may left in the rug after cleaning. My cleaning product is odor-free completely from the Dead Sea. What makes PetPeePee special? Allow me to explain. The tube that you see in the picture right now show me what's coming from the rug. After I flood the rug on the top, the vacuum extract all the cleaner through the rug. All this cleaner fall down to the pan and pump out to the sewage. On the way to the sewage, I have the tube that shows me in real time what is in the rug after I wash it one time. And again, every cycle I see what's coming from the rug in a special way. I have the technology to examine if the rug still have the urine crystal. However, because I am using a secret cleaning product that I put together from the Dead Sea, Israel, my hometown, I know the color will never run. This is a latex rug, hand knotted rug. The rug made with the glue. The bottom of the rug, it's a canvas, and latex, a glue that's holding the wool and the bottom of the rug. This latex hold the pee-pee so good, it's very, very difficult to remove the urine crystal from this type of rug. I provide to my customers 100% guarantee no trace of urine odor, guarantee in writing. Because the cleaner that's come from the top go through the rug and simply wash out all the urine crystal and the cleaning product that's everybody used on the rug. PetPeePee. I invented a cleaning product and cleaning process that reward me with a 5-star reviews all away. Listen how the vacuum working in the warehouse.
Google verified review by Tamara Boykin. PetPeePee's revolutionary cleaning technique saved my beautiful rug. My wool antique Oriental rug was completely saturated with urine odor. Every professional rug cleaner said they could clean it, but the vegetable dyes would run and the white areas would be a little pink. Martin at PetPeePee sent my rug back to me odor-free with the colors intact, brighter and more vibrant than ever before. He provided excellent service, answering every question, making shipping effortless, staying in touch throughout the process, and even providing history I didn't know about the rug. I could not be happier with the results.